photograph with phantoms on glowing screens, while I drift between silvered shadows unseen. Your silence hums like midnight air infinite. I reach through the void, yet drown in your stare. You chase fleeting flames through neon fire. My questions shiver, lost whispers on a wire. I watch you blaze in strangers' hollow desire, and I smolder a solitary pyre of unquenched fire. Reach for you through memory's rain, your light refracted through my pain. We dance on rainstorms unchained. We share a bed, but not the sky. You're a million miles behind your eyes. I scream your name, yet you don't turn, leaving me in flames that burn. You wanted freedom, I gave my all. Still you watch me crash and fall. I gave you love, you gave me war. Now I'm a stranger behind your door. Ooh, yeah. Lipstick stains on wine dark glass. I pretend, yet memories trespass. You glamorize nights of whispered lies, while I count our silent goodbyes. No warmth remains in your hollow stare. No love, no lie, you're never there. I'm not your man, just your echo. Still I love you the most there. Oh, yeah. We share a roof, but not the rain. You left me with this cold, dead flame. Drunk on nights I'll never see, while I drown in what we used to be. I gave you light, you gave me shade. Still I stay in love betrayed. You broke my heart, tore it to shreds. A million miles, same bed. I'm cold inside a desert heat. My soul forgot how love can be. No questions left, nothing to prove. I fade in love, you always move. We share a life, but not a dream. You live out loud, I scream unseen. Your freedom fed your darker side, while I still bled for love and pride. Still I pray for one soft touch. Still I stay, though it's too much. You'll never know the tears I shed, loving you a million miles, same bed.